بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alhamdulillah والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will continue taking our English language lessons for the second year. My name is Teacher Inas Al-Hadathi. So you will be having your book ready at page 26 and 27. We will be concluding our unit number 2. The name of the unit is called MySchool. MySchool. This will be lesson number 4. You can find this lesson at page 26 and 27. So what you need is your books, a notebook and some pencils or pen to write whatever you think is important. So let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we've learned in the previous lesson, my dear student. In the previous lesson, we revised letters. We learned how to say them, how to write them. We tried to do several exercises with letters. Also, we introduced articles, and we'll be discussing articles in a minute because they are important. Also, we differentiate between singular and plural. A teacher, 5 teachers. A student, 16 students. An apple, 25 apples, and so on. This is the cover of our unit. The name is called MySchool. This is MySchool. And also we will be having the same class. We will be having information from things in my classroom plus things in my bag, and we will join them together in the same lesson. So let's start. Bismillah. In this lesson, inshallah, you are expected to use this and that. And I will be explaining this and that in this lesson, inshallah. Differentiate between singular and plural. Also, you'll be able to use these and those. These and those. Let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising articles because they are very important in order to understand our lesson. What are the articles that we discussed in the previous class? They were article A and an. A and an. Very good. A and an. Remember, I only use these with singular. So in order to answer question how many apples, how many books, how many oranges, how many eggs, remember we are talking about singular. As in this picture, how many books? 1 book. How many oranges? 1 orange. How many girls? 1 girl. And since we are talking about 1 book, 1 orange, 1 girl, we will be using the article a or an. Okay? So if the letter of the word start with the consonant letter, as the word book, I will go with the article a book. Okay? Moving to the next one, I have orange. So it's not starting with a consonant, it starts with a vowel, O, O. The English vowels, if you can remember, are all the letters that start with O, E, A, I, and U. So since I have a singular and starts with a vowel, I will use the article an orange. Last but not least, I have a girl, just 1 girl, okay? So since it's starting with a consonant, I'll be using a girl. Very good. Now, let's discuss this one more time. I have the 2 articles a and an. If we have a singular and it starts with a consonant letter, such as L, D, H, all the letters here are in red, I must go with the article a. A lamb, a door, a house, a bag, a tomato, a car, a teacher, a student, a school, a yoo-yoo, an x-ray. So I'll be using the article a because it starts with a consonant. Moving to the next part, I have also singular items, but they are starting with a vowel. What are the English vowels? Let me draw that face one more time. What are the English vowels? So I have an O, okay, and then I have an A, E, I, and U. These are all the English vowels. So if you have an item or a thing that starts with these letters and it is singular, we must go with the article an. So an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, and an umbrella. Very good. As you can see, I have all the 5 vowels that are in the smiley face. Okay? So let's have exercises to check our understanding. Say and write. I have 9 pictures here. All of them are singular. And let's check the first letter. Apple starts with an A. An apple. Very good. B starts with the letter B. A bee. Very good. Egg starting with a vowel. E. An egg. Very good. Lion starting with a consonant. L. A lion. Very good. Ice cream starting with an I. An ice cream. Remember, all of these items are singular. Dog, consonant. A dog. Very good. Elephant. E, a vowel. An elephant. An owl. Because it starts with an O, I have the article an owl. Airplane. It's starting with an A, which is a vowel. An airplane. Very good. So I have an apple, a bee, an egg, a lion, an ice cream, a dog, an elephant, an owl, and an airplane. Very good. How many? How many do you have? How many fingers do you have? How many eyes do you have? How many feet do you have? So singular and plural will enable us to get to the this, that, these, and those. How many apples? An apple. 2 apples. Okay? So, how many doors can you see? How many doors can you see? To your left, I can see a door. A door. To your right, how many doors can you see? 8 doors. Very good. So, as you can see, we use the article with singular, a door, but we did not use it here. We don't need it. Plural, 8 doors. Very good. How many books can you see now? How many books? A book. Very good. A book. Singular. How many books? 4 books. Very good. 4 books. Excellent. Singular, plural, article, no article. How many students can you see? I can see a student. Singular, a student. The next picture I can see 3 students. Very good. 3 students. A student, 3 students. Now, how many clocks can you see? How many clocks can you see? A clock, singular, a clock, 4 clocks. Singular starting with a consonant, a clock, plural, 4 clocks. We don't need an article. Now, let's go ahead and choose again. A book or books? What do you think? The answer is books. A apple or an apple? What do you think? Because it's starting with a vowel, I must go with an apple. Very good. Girls or a girl? Girls or a girl? The answer is a girl. Very good. A girl. Now, how many? I have chairs, keys, and trees. But how many do we have? I have a chair, singular, a chair. Chairs, plural, 2 chairs. I don't need an article here. A key, singular, a key. Keys. A tree, singular. Trees, 2 trees. Okay? So, we revised singular, plural, articles, a and an. Now, this is very important to focus because we will start our lesson. You will find this at page 27. We have this, that, these, and those. I will be having this like in 2 parts. We will start first part with this and that. Okay? So I need your full attention. When do we use this? When do we use that? How do we use them? Okay? So let's start. We'll be focusing with this and that. As you can see in this picture, I have 1 item of each. So I have a cat. I have a ball, I have a train, I have a girl, I have a rabbit, I have a bear, I have a doll, I have a boy, a dog, a tree, a cottage, a house. I have one of each. So mainly we will be talking about singular, okay? Singular, just one, by using this and that, okay? So I'll be using this and that with singular and singular only. Now look at this picture. Here I have two parts. A guy or a hand is pointing at a book, right? What you can notice, or what's the difference between two pictures? I have same hand and a book, but the position or the location of the book is what matters here, okay? What's important here is where is the book? Is it near to me or is it far away from me? Okay, so I have the same item, singular, book, just one book, but what matters here is where is the book, the location of the book. Is it close to the speaker or to the reader, or is it far away? Okay, so to your left, I have a book which is close, so I'll be using this is a book. Next one, I have a book which is far away. I'll be referring to that book by that is a book. Let me give you more example. As you can see here, also I have an apple, one apple, okay. Near. This is an apple, so the apple is close to me. This is an apple, okay. One apple. But let's say the apple is far away. It's far. That is an apple. That is an apple. Very good. So again, this and that are used, we are using them with singular. I'll be using this with items that are near or close to me, and that with item that is far away from me. Like in this example, this is an apple, that is an apple, okay? For example, I use this with singular. For example, I like this apple. He's pointing at an apple that is really close to him, near him. But for that, which is also used with singular, he's pointing at an apple that is far away from him. That apple. I like that apple. Okay? So this when it is near, that when it's far. Okay. So let's have more exercises to check your understanding. Complete is a bike. So it's either this or that according to the where is the bike? Is it what the location of the bike? Is it near me or is it far away from me? So for number one, the bike is close. This is a bike. Very good. This is a bike. So let's read it one more time. This is a bike. This is a bike. One more time. This is a bike. Very good. Number two. Now he's pointing at a ball. Now notice the location. Where is the ball? Is it close to him? Actually, it is far away. Since it is far, I'll be using that. That is a ball. That is a ball. It's not close, it's far. That is a ball. Very good. Next one I have, train. Is it close? It is. So we'll be using this. This is a train. This is a train. It's close to me. Also for number four, I'm pointing or I'm referring to a car that's close to me. This is a car. Okay? Let's have several exercises. How about this one? Plane. Do I use this or that now? Do I use this or that? Is it close or far? Actually, it's far. We'll be using that is a plane. That is a plane. Okay, I have a go-kart. A go-kart is a racing car. This is a go-kart. Very good. This is a go-kart. How about the kite here? How about the kite? Is it close to me? Is it near or is it far? Actually, it's far. That is a kite. That is a kite. Very good. Last but not least, I have a doll. So what do you think? Is it this or that? Is it close to me? Is it near me? Or is it far away? Actually, it's far. I'll be using that. Okay, so I have several exercises here. I will try to do them as fast as possible. The first one I have tree, a tree. This or that? The answer is that is a tree. Very good. That is a tree. Very good. Is an apple. This is an apple. Very good, because it's close to me. This is an apple. Is a hill. Far. That is a hill. Very good. That is a hill. Is a flower. I have a flower. So what do you think? This is a flower. Very good. It's near me. I have a duck. This is a duck. Very good. This is a duck. I have an elephant. That is an elephant. Very good. It's far, far away. That is an elephant. A cake. This is a cake. Very good. This is a cake. My brother. That is my brother. Very good. A river. This is a river. Also, I have a field. It's not close, it's far. That is a field. So, I have to emphasize the importance that this and that is only used with singular. I use this with items or things that are near me. That with items that are far away from the speaker or to the reader. So, we're done with this and that. Singular. Now we will be talking about these and those, okay? These and those. Try to think. Here, I use this and that with singular. So I'll be using these and those with plural. Very good, with plural. As you can see here, this is a sandwich. I have a sandwich, okay? Right next to it, that is a banana. So I have one sandwich and one banana, right? Moving below, I have two sandwiches now. So two sandwiches. These are sandwiches. These are sandwiches. The sandwiches are close to me, okay, near me. So I'll be using these are sandwiches. Next one I have, those are bananas. I have not one, I have more than, I have actually 1, 2, 3, I have 4 bananas. Those are bananas. So, this and that are used with singular, this with near, that with far. These and those are used with plural, these with near items, those with items that are far away. Let's have more examples. Actually, I need you to focus on this part. Okay, so how many pens can you see that are close to me? I have 2. These are pens. These are pens. Also, I have those. I have rubbers. Those are rubbers. Okay? By asking the question, what are these? What are those? These are pens. Those are rubbers. Very good. Now, if you need to take a picture of this one, go ahead and take it now, because it will help you try to figure out the difference between this, that, these, and those. For this, one item, singular, near me, that, one item, far away from me. For these, plural, near me, those, I have items or things far away from me. Now, let's have several exercises. Here, I'm mixing these, that, those, and this. Number 1, I have one thing. Is a computer game. What do you think I'll be using here? It's either this or that. This is a computer game. Very good. Okay? I have ambulances or lorries, or trucks, and they are far away. So those are lorries or trucks. Very good. A camera. That is a camera. Very good. That is a camera. A kite. One kite. This is a kite. Very good. This is a kite. I have 2 balls. 2, plural. It's either these or those. What do you think? These or those? These are balls. Very good. These are balls. Last one, I have watches, 2 watches, and they are far away. Those are watches. Very good. Those are watches. Let's go ahead and read our answers one more time. This is a computer game. Those are lures or tricks. That is a camera. This is a kite. These are balls. Those are watches. Very good. Now, what I need you to do is have your books ready at page 26. I'll be having it zoomed in a minute. We'll be reading the first part and then the lower part. Let's go ahead and read together, starting from number 1. Look and read. This is a chair. So as you can see here, I have 2 parts. The first part, I have this and that, okay, which is used with singular, near or far. This is a chair. That is a chair. This is a window. That is a window. Let's go ahead and read one more time. This is a chair. That is a chair. This is a window. That is a window. Very good. So here I'm talking about singular. 1. Moving to the lower part, number 2, you can say these and those. These are chairs. These, so I have several chairs near me. These are chairs. Those are chairs. These are students. Those are students. Okay, let's go ahead and read one more time. These are chairs. Those are chairs. These are students. Those are students. Very good. Moving to the next page, I have an exercise here. Read and put right, then write your answers. Let me prepare this. Number 1 is a school bag. Now look at the picture. Is a school bag. I have 4 options. This, these, that, and those. First of all, I have 1 bag, so singular. Because I have 1 bag, I'll be using either this or that. And since it is near, it is far away, so the answer is that is a school bag. Very good. That is a school bag. Very good. Now, how about the next one? Our bags. Our bags, they are close, they are near. They are near and they are several. This, these, that, and those. What do you think? What's the correct answer? Actually, I have these. I have these. These are bags. Make sure you are choosing and you are writing the correct word in each and every space. These are bags. How about number 3? How about number 3? Are pencils, plural, pencils. This, these, that, and those. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 6 pencils. So it's either these or those. And since they are far away, I will go with those. Very good. I will go with those. Those are pencils. Those are pencils. Very good. And number 4 is a computer. Is a computer. So what do you think? This, these, that, and this. It's close. It's close. So I'll be using this is a computer. Very good. This is a computer. Let's go ahead and read our answers or the sentences one more time. That is a school bag. These are bags. Those are pencils. This is a computer. Very good, my dear student. Moving to number 2, as you can see, we've been talking about numbers. We already started numbers from number 1 till number 15. Now we add 5 more numbers, okay? So what I need you to do for today is just to go ahead and trace these numbers. I will have several exercises and several multiple fun activities for you in the next lessons. So what do you need to do is just go ahead and just trace. Go ahead and trace 12, 13. I'm sure your handwriting is better than mine because I'm not using an actual pen. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So this is all you need to do is just trace the number, because for the next lessons, inshallah, I will have several exercises for numbers. So let's revise what we've learned in this lesson, my dear student. In this lesson, we practice singular and plural, singular items, plural items. We use this and that with singular. This is a book, that is a book. Also, we introduce these and those. These are books, those are books. Okay, so that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.